Next, we head to Woodhaven, Michigan for a preliminary examination. 62-year-old Wade Brito has been charged with armed robbery. 2 years earlier, police say Brito was in a big box store where an employee claimed he saw him stealing clothes. When the employee questioned Brito in the parking lot, the defendant allegedly brandished a knife before fleeing in a vehicle. Since the employee recognized Brito from past visits to the store, he was able to help police identify him. Brito was arrested and is being held on $300,000 bond. He's pled not guilty. Today, Brito appears remotely from the county jail before Judge Jennifer Coleman Hessen.
All right, Mr. Brito, the allegations are that you committed an act of robbery armed, which is punishable as a felony by up to life or any term of years.
When the judge is finished, the state calls its first witness, store employee Christopher LaFleur.
And on that date, did you observe anything that would bring you into court today?
Yes.
Okay. What, if anything, did you observe?
He was in electronics. He quick selected a couple packages of digital film. He then went to sporting goods and he had a hat on his head prior and he took that hat off, grabbed a new one, took the tag off, put it on his head. After the hat, he went to the apparel and he took tags off 2 pairs of pants and then he concealed the pants.
And did he pass all points of sale?
Yes.
Okay, and did you make contact with him?
Yes.
What did you say to him?
I told him that I just needed the merchandise back that he had concealed.
Okay, and when you got to the sidewalk, what did he do?
He reached into his right pocket and he brandished a knife.
Brito seems to disagree with LaFleur's testimony.
Okay, and what did you do as a result of that?
Oh, I got out of the way. He told me I had 2 seconds to back the off.
Okay, and were you scared?
Yes.
Were you in fear of your life?
Yes.
Okay, nothing further for this witness, Judge.
Ross?
The defense then argues that if there was a knife, it was too small to be considered a dangerous weapon. But Judge Hessen disagrees.
All right, based upon the evidence that I've received, the testimony provided by Mr. LaFleur, the sole witness called by the prosecutor.
Brito, meanwhile, begins packing up his stuff.
I believe that the prosecutor has met his burden of proof with respect to the charge of armed robbery, and all of the elements were provided.
Brito is not happy with the judge's ruling and begins making comments under his breath.
Prosecutor established identity. Prosecutor established the date and place, location, and the requisite terms or elements of the charged crime, robbery armed. Again, there is a 4th offense habitual offender notice attached thereto, identifying April 10th of 1991 of breaking and entering an occupied dwelling. Conviction, December 17th of 19...
As Judge Hessen goes over the defendant's prior convictions, Brito turns his back on her, and the judge has finally had enough.
This is completely unacceptable that he has turned his back to me. Otherwise, I would have ordered him to be in this courtroom.
That you got a bunch of liars.
No, I'm not finished yet. I'm not finished yet. No. Do not walk out. Do not walk out before I hold you into
You do what you gotta do.
I've been very
You're gonna sit here and listen to all these lies, and you're putting lies on me, and everything that you got is a hokey-doke courtroom right there with a liar for a prosecutor, and you bring a liar in here to sit there and lie.
The judge ignores Brito's comment and tries to finish the hearing by going over his bond conditions, if he's able to post it.
Sir, you are not to return to or re-enter the premises of any store. You're required not to possess or have access to any firearms or weapons, and you are required to obtain a GPS tether home detention.
I'm not putting on no tether.
13 hours, and that's only in the event that you're ever released. You're all set, sir.
Great.
August 1st at 9 a.m. at the Wayne County Circuit Court.
Have a Merry
Frank Murphy,
Christmas.
Hall of Justice.
Great.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Brito remains in custody, and his case is pending. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.